Very exciting evening. It's been a long day at work. I'm glad to be home, and I rushed home, and I was excited to get home because tonight we're going to take apart the glue up that we did the other day, the rather arduous, lots of different angles, lots of different clamps, angle amenders. We're going to do that. And we get to see how we did. It's kind of like a report card. I think we did okay. Most of the gaps, I believe, are tight. I think I saw squeeze out everywhere. There's not a overabundance of glue anywhere, so that's going to be nice to clean up later. And there really weren't any gaps that I could see, but again, I had to look through a series of clamps, lots of clamps, in order to see what the joint was doing. I'm not going to be using any power tools tonight. So on this rare occasion, we're going to kill off this bottle of Speyside tonight. This stuff's, it's not bad, it's not great. Maybe in the future I'll do a review on all the different scotches I drink while taking clamps off. That's not gonna happen, that's a joke. Now I don't know how well you can see. Let's just try to zoom in a little bit. I think I got you here, but you can see the gaps are actually really pretty good. We've got a joint here, and I kind of want to see how this angle ended up working out. Like how close were we? So there's a couple different ways we can do this. One is you can actually go in and actually just put the angle in here and see what that is. And you would just do that by getting out your trusty little protractor, and you would pop that on, and we are looking, you can see the 110 mark is right there. So we're at about 111 degrees. Man, it's like right on. You can also, we're trying to get this 110.7 degrees actually. Throw that in there, 110 degrees. And we're trying to see how much slippage we have. And man, there's not a lot. In fact, I think the only slippage is really because I'm actually not square here. I think the angle is actually solid.